Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to off last seen in WhatsApp. Friends, in WhatsApp you can see when your friend had last used WhatsApp. Like if I open the chat window of my friend, here on the top I can see when he had last used WhatsApp. Like here it is showing last seen today at 7:57 pm. So like this others can also see when I have last used my WhatsApp. So if you don't want others to see your last WhatsApp login time, then you simply need to press on these three dots and here press on settings. In settings press on privacy. In privacy here press on last seen and online. Here everyone is selected by default. You can select my contacts. In that case only your saved contacts will able to see your last WhatsApp usage time. I will select nobody. Now no one on WhatsApp will able to see my last time when I was online on WhatsApp. So friends, like this you can very easily off last seen in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.